Hey, this is Dustin, and I want to walk you quickly through the application process. So right below the video that you're watching right now, you'll see a gray and white box. Enter in the country that you're in and your time zone and hit continue. And this calendar is synced into our team's calendar. So you basically will see what's available time-wise. And so just choose the best time and day that works for you and then hit continue. And then on the very next page, you'll see that we ask for several pieces of information: name, company, and your mobile device. The reason why we ask for your mobile, just so we can send you a quick text as a reminder right before our call. And then the most important part after you hit done, we'll send you over to part 2 of the application process, which is a questionnaire. And it literally takes a handful of minutes just to fill this out. And the reason why we need this information is because we want to prep before a quick call, and we want to do some research on your business as well to make sure that we're a right fit. And after this is submitted, then you're all set. Thank you so much and looking forward to our call.